Make space for your body to relax. Shrug your shoulders and wiggle around a bit until you find yourself in a comfortable position. And when you feel ready, slowly close your eyes. Take a slow, easy breath in and a slow breath out. Feel your mind and body returning to calm and stillness. Now bring your attention to the center of your chest, to the area of your heart. And if you like, you can place a hand on your heart and notice how it feels. Begin to smile gently. Doesn't have to be a big smile, just a soft, kind smile. Now look down at your heart and smile at it. Imagine that your heart is breathing your smile in as you breathe in, and breathing a smile out as you breathe out. Breathe your smile into your heart and breathe a smile out. Imagine this smile radiating out from your heart, and it makes you feel safe and secure and really content, like a thick warm blanket draped around your shoulders on a cold day. Allow the feeling that all is well to permeate every cell of your being. Keep smiling down at your heart, breathing in and softening, breathing out and smiling. Breathing in, all is well. And breathing out and expanding your smile around you. Let each of these sentences drop down from your mind into your heart. And repeat, may my heart be at ease. May I be peaceful. May I be kinder to myself. May I feel more love and joy. May I feel connected to all that is good. And whatever thoughts and feelings arise, that's okay. There's no judgment, nothing to fix or control. Just keep smiling, no matter how fake or crazy you think it is. This technique has stood the test of time, having been around for at least 2,500 years. The idea is that you are simply meeting your heart where it is. You're not trying to change it, you're just trying to share some love and kindness with a warm smile. And as your heart listens to these words, imagine it's like a huge sunflower turning towards the sun as happy memories flutter around you, just as butterflies flutter around sunflowers in the physical. With every breath, you relax a little bit more. And with every smile, you open a little bit more. Breathing in, my heart is filling up with joy. Breathing out, joy is overflowing. Rest here for a few breaths. Let this kindness spread throughout your whole body, up from your heart to your face and head, and then down through your shoulders, your arms and hands, your belly and legs. Then let the smile, the love and kindness spread beyond you. Let it fill up the room that you're in and flow towards those you love, humans and or pets. And then finally to all beings everywhere. And you can quietly say, may all hearts feel comforted and secure. May all beings feel a calm sense of belonging. May all beings feel kindness towards each other. And may all beings feel a smile rising within them. Take one more slow breath in, keep smiling, and a long, easy breath out. Stretch your body and reconnect to the room that you're in. Feel the surface beneath you, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Now you'll bring in this softness and inner smile with you into your dreams if you're about to fall asleep or wherever you go today. Sending you lots of love. Bye for now.